Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can crop your image in custom size or shapes using Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva desktop version, PC versions. Don't forget to sign in with your account. Then you can click apps, then click design essentials. So here you can try to scroll down and try to find choppy crop. So crop your images any way you like. So use choppy crop to crop your images in custom shapes using the lasso tool. Easily crop out unwanted areas or crop your images into funky shapes using choppy crop. Click use in new design, or if you already have one, you can use in existing design. So here you can drag your image or photo from your library. Then click where you like to crop selector. The crop selector to crop the image. Clicking the first point will complete the crop. So here you can reset if you mess up. So here to here, so we can create a point here. So here and then here. So add to design. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.